Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to share Instagram Reels to Threads. Why would you want to know how to share Instagram Reels to Threads? Well, maybe it is your first time using Threads and not sure how to share Instagram Reels to Thread. So today I am going to show you how to share Instagram Reels to Threads. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Sharing Instagram Reels to Thread is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for Android and iOS devices. Let me show how you will share Instagram Reels to Threads. First of all, open Threads app in your device and then first click on your profile icon in the right bottom corner and then open your reel and now click on send icon and then in this screen click on share icon and select threads from these options and now click on post and your reel has been shared to thread app. So there you go. If you were wondering how to share Instagram reel to thread, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.